Easy survivor. Not every journey begins with a destination.
I see video. I see, very see.
Sometimes it begins with a stranger.
Hello, Doggy Game family.
Lemon?
Lemon, yeah.
Lemon? Yes?
Lemon, yes.
Coca-Cola.
Actually, problem. Actually, they
Progetto. Attention. 5.
I came to Crooked Forest, in Poland, to be alone. Tired of the noise, the endless screens, the routines. I wanted a simple escape. Just the woods, small fire, some chicken, some meatballs, and silence. But that silence didn't last very long. His name was Karim. I met him on the edge of the forest. Wearing a backpack that looked half empty and a huge, sincere smile. The kind that makes you trust someone before they say a word. I knew he wasn't going to be helpful, but somehow I was glad he was there. He was terrible at camping. Despite everything, his company was comforting, like traveling with a little brother you never asked for, but were somehow glad to have. He never said where he came from exactly. He had a slight German accent, but his stories never really added up. Sometimes he said he lived in Berlin, sometimes Munich. Once he said he'd never been to Germany at all. I asked jokingly, "So where are you really from?" He just smiled and said, "Maybe I'm from here now." We built the fire. Well, I built it. He mostly danced around it with random sticks like some kind of forest wizard.
This is an antiseptic lemon. You know that this is killing the bacteria and microbes. This is very important for not getting any sick. I am a killer of the microbes and I am enemy of the bacteria. Because I am the one of the big microbes in the world.
We grilled chicken over the flames.
Very good. This is a chicken bones.
Cooked meatballs and stuffed everything into dry bread rolls. We shared a warm bottle of Coca-Cola and laughed like old friends.
This is for cats.
For a moment, it felt like we had known each other for years. But as the night got darker, the mood shifted. And then he said something I didn't expect. He said, "You know, they say the forest remembers everyone who sleeps under it."